Today I am reviewing the Frigidaire 6000 BTU Window Air Conditioner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a simple, reliable, and energy-efficient way to cool a small room, the Frigidaire 6000 BTU Window Air Conditioner is one of those units that focuses on doing the basics very well. It is designed for rooms up to around 250 square feet, making it ideal for bedrooms, small offices, dorm rooms, or compact living spaces where consistent cooling is needed without overcomplicating the setup. Right from installation, the unit feels straightforward and practical. It is a classic window-style air conditioner, which means once it is properly mounted and secured, it becomes a semi-permanent cooling solution for the space. The build is compact and clean, with a simple white design that blends easily into most room aesthetics without drawing too much attention. Once powered on, one of the first things you notice is how quickly it begins to cool the room. The 6000 BTU capacity is well suited for smaller areas, and it does a good job of lowering the temperature in a steady and controlled way rather than blasting cold air aggressively. This makes the environment feel more natural and comfortable over time, instead of creating sudden temperature shocks. One of the standout aspects of this unit is its quiet operation, running at around 52 decibels. In practical terms, this means it produces a low background hum rather than a loud, distracting noise. In a bedroom setting, this is especially important. You can sleep, study, or watch TV without the air conditioner overpowering the room. It becomes more of a background presence rather than a disturbance. Another strong feature is the eco mode, which helps reduce energy consumption while still maintaining a comfortable temperature. Instead of constantly running at full power, the unit adjusts its performance intelligently to balance cooling and efficiency. This is especially useful if you plan to run the air conditioner for long hours during hot days or overnight. The sleep mode also adds to this efficiency by gradually increasing the temperature during the night. This helps maintain comfort while reducing unnecessary energy use when a room naturally becomes cooler or when your body temperature drops during sleep. It is a small feature, but it makes a noticeable difference in both comfort and energy savings over time. Control and usability are also very user-friendly. The included remote control allows you to adjust temperature, fan speed, and modes without having to physically reach the unit. This is particularly convenient when the air conditioner is installed in a higher or less accessible window. The interface is simple and easy to understand, even for users who are not familiar with advanced air conditioning systems. The unit also offers 3 fan speed settings, giving you flexibility depending on how quickly you want to cool the room. Lower speeds are great for quiet, steady airflow, while higher speeds help cool the space more quickly when the temperature is high. In addition, the 6-way directional airflow allows you to adjust how air is distributed throughout the room, helping eliminate hot spots and improving overall comfort. Another useful feature is the 24-hour timer function, which allows you to schedule when the air conditioner turns on or off. This is especially helpful for managing energy usage. For example, you can set it to turn off after you fall asleep or to start cooling the room before you return home. It adds a level of convenience that makes daily use more efficient. Maintenance is also made simple with the Clean Filter Alert system. The unit notifies you when it is time to clean the washable dust filter. This is important because keeping the filter clean ensures better airflow, improved cooling efficiency, and longer product life. Instead of guessing when maintenance is needed, the system actively reminds you. There is also a dry mode, which helps reduce excess humidity in the air. This is particularly useful in humid environments where the air can feel sticky even if the temperature is not extremely high. By removing moisture from the air, the room feels more comfortable and balanced. One of the most convenient features is auto restart functionality. In the event of a power outage, the air conditioner automatically resumes its previous settings once power is restored. This means you don't have to manually reset everything, which is especially helpful if you're not at home when the outage occurs. Overall, the Frigidaire 6000 BTU Window Air Conditioner is designed with practicality in mind. It does not try to overwhelm you with unnecessary complexity. Instead, it focuses on delivering consistent cooling, quiet operation, and energy efficiency in a compact and easy-to-use package. It is especially well suited for people who need dependable cooling for a small space without dealing with complicated installation or high electricity usage. Whether it is for sleeping comfortably at night, staying cool during work-from-home hours, or simply improving indoor comfort during hot weather, this unit performs reliably. In the end, this is a straightforward air conditioner that prioritizes comfort, efficiency, and ease of use. Once installed, it becomes a dependable part of your daily environment, quietly doing its job in the background while keeping your space consistently cool and comfortable.